Chapter 8 review number 52. We're trying to figure out if this converges or diverges. To find the antiderivative might be kind of difficult, but we're going to compare it to something. So limit comparison test also might be difficult because we've got e's involved, especially as fuzzy as it is. Really difficult. Alright, so direct comparison test is the way to do it, at least the way I'm going to do it. So if I compare it to e to the negative t dt from 1 to infinity. So what do we know about e to the negative t compared to e to the negative t over square root of t? Well, we're starting at 1, so when t is 1, they're the same. When t is beyond 1, you're getting a bigger number on the bottom besides 1, which is decreasing the amount of the whole quantity. So this is a true statement. Okay, this is always going to be bigger or equal to this on the interval from 1 to infinity. Now if we know that this one converges, then our direct comparison test logic holds up. Because if a bigger one converges, then the littler one will also converge. If this one diverges, then we don't know anything, because the bigger one diverges doesn't tell us anything about a smaller one. It might diverge or converge. So if we just evaluate this integral here just by finding the antiderivative, so it's, I'll make a longer arrow here. So the antiderivative is e to the negative e to the negative t from 1 to b as b goes to infinity. So negative e to the negative infinity minus negative e to the negative 1. So what's happening there? So if it's just e to the negative infinity, then that's, remember, e looks like this. So as just e to the negative infinity would be 0, and then the opposite of 0 is 0. So I get 0 plus e to the negative 1. So our answer to our integral is 1 over e, which is not all that important. All we need to know is that it converges. So since it converges, the littler one converges. So this converges. So this also converges using the direct comparison test. When I'm pointing at this, I mean the whole integral. So this converges using direct comparison test.